done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's to get my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. Sure, there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it clearer, but my breath forgot the glass, so I drew in her face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying, there's no ain't a better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. So